Today we'll be taking a look at the drum baffle on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, you must first lift this top panel here. It can be a little frustrating, but what you'll need is a putty knife, and on the corners they put a little kind of small triangular locking tab that you have to press in with the putty knife and lift up. But there's not a lot of room to see exactly where it's at. So I'm going to use just the corner because the full blade will not be able to hit it. Go just the corner, and I want you to go about an inch in, press in, and start to lift up. You should feel it bending, and then we can see right there where it's at. Once you get one side up, it's a little easier to see the second side, but like I said, usually about an inch in, maybe inch and a half. You'll press in, lift up on the top, and then let it rest against a wall or a platform. Now that we have the top lifted up, let's go ahead and open the door. And now we have clear access to our drum baffle here. Now the main reasons why you'd be needing to access these areas and get to the drum baffle is if it is making noise. Maybe as it's rotating, you can hear coins jiggling around inside the baffle. Or maybe it's actually broken where something either hit it or got snagged and it's causing the clothes to get cut, or it could have fell off. In order to remove your baffle, to replace it, there are 3 Phillips screws on top. What I'm going to do is take the 2 end ones off first. Going to grab the baffle inside, remove the 3rd one, and set the baffle to the side. When installing a new baffle, first we're going to line it up inside, move it around, and find that center screw hole. I want you to install that one first. Then let's get the ones on the end. And we'll go ahead and close the door. And now we can reinstall the top. To reinstall the top, very simple. Just bring it down, try not to cut yourself. Line it up, press down, boom. There you go, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.